Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since my last video. I hope you guys are doing okay. Anyway, I just made these 11 different landscape brushes that will be free to download for the first 24 hours once this video made public. So make sure you download it. And here's the preview of what I made using these brushes. And after that, this brush package will cost only for $1. Okay, to download it, just click on the link in the description and you will be directed to Gumroad. Then just set the price to 0, but any amount of donations will be appreciated, so thanks in advance. And after that, you can process to download. Next, you can extract the file, and inside you will see the PNG folder and the Affinity photo file. If you don't want to import the brushes to Affinity photo file, you can just use the PNG file. And after that, to install the brushes to Affinity photo, there are two ways. The first way is just double click on the Affinity photo file, and the second way is you can go to brushes tab and click on these three line buttons on the right side right here, then just click import brushes and then just choose the file. Okay, after that just click on the drop down button and choose landscape brush package, and inside you will see 11 different brushes that you can use. So let's use the brush to create something. First I will create a new layer and I will name it mountain tree. So first let's use mountain tree. Okay, first I'll make it bigger, and for the color let's select orange and make it a little bit brighter, darker. Okay, and after that I'll create another new layer, and you can also use this texture for the mountain tree. Okay, so I have already adjusted to match the size of mountain tree. Okay, and like that, so you can use it as a texture or as a snow. Okay, so I'll name it texture. And then you can also find mountain 2, mountain 1 and forest 1, so I'll use all of it in this video so you can see all step of it. This is mountain 2, and for the color I will use the color that is darker than mountain 3, like this one, because it is closer. Okay, and for the brush you can always flip it, okay, to make it a little bit different. Okay, but I just like the first one facing this way, so let's move on and try mountain 1. Okay, and for the color, of course, the color that is darker than mountain 2, so okay, from this one I will flip it like this. Okay, and then this is forest. Okay, let's choose the darkest color and place it right here. Okay, and then inside you will also get two different shape of tree. This is tree 1 and this is tree 2, so let's use it. I will create a new layer below forest 1. I'll just place one of two tree, so it will save some time. And for the color, let's use color of the mountain 2. Okay, so just play it like this. And if you are using pen, you can go to settings and go to dynamics, then you can set it to pressures to match the pressure of your pen. Okay, but if you are using mouse, just set it to random. Okay, so when you use it, it will give you the random size and opacity like this. So this is 3.1 and this is 3.2. I will put it below mountain 1 as well. Okay, after that Let's move on. So next, inside the brush package, you will also get 3 different shape of cloud. This cloud 1, cloud 2, and cloud 3. So first, let's use cloud 2 and put it on the middle. This is cloud 2. Okay, and then cloud 1. Let's put it somewhere around here and here. And then this is cloud 3. Okay. Okay, and lastly, you will also get this bird's brush inside. So you can put some birds in the sky to make it looks more realistic. I'll put it here. Okay, and this is the final result. So you can use these 11 different brushes to make something like this, and I hope you like it. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit the like button to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video.